healthy treat with Orville Redenbacher's Hot Air Popper by Presto. It pops with hot air, not oil, for a low-fat treat. Virtually no unpopped kernels. Pour a half cup of popcorn into the handy measuring cup, then into the popping chamber. Put the cover and measuring cup in place. The measuring cup doubles as a handy butter melter. Plug it in. Orville Redenbacher's Hot Air Popcorn is all natural. No artificial flavors or added salt. 0 grams of saturated fat per serving. The chute directs popcorn right into your bowl. It's fast, too. Orville Redenbacher's Popper pops up to 18 cups of gourmet corn in less than 2.5 minutes with virtually no unpopped kernels. Cleanup is a breeze. Because Orville Redenbacher's Popper pops without oil, its base and cover simply wipe clean. The built-in cord wrap makes storage neat and easy. Orville Redenbacher's Hot Air Popper by Presto.
Put it in there. Looks like
first we can take this off. How much butter do we want? Like, that much?
Yeah, that much.
Oh, you want to record this, Caleb? Cool. Is that okay with you, Jeff? Nice.
First
That's enough
time
butter.
using this.
Okay. Hopefully the butter melts
3,
by then.
2, 1. Switch it out.
Okay.
Plug it back in. That was crazy.
Oh, that's hot. That's stupid hot. Like, don't pour all of that into the big bowl. Save some for the small bowl as well.
we needed that small bowl and we thought that it was only going to fill up that.
Thank God. Thank God I convinced you to use the bigger bowl. Okay, now all we have to do is rinse this off once that cools off. 1 second, I could probably just cool it off by putting it under cold water. That is awesome. Honestly, that is a really good birthday present for you. This is great. You like it? So we can make popcorn pretty much any time if you have kernels. Kernel sandwich.